Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome to yet another cooking video. Today's video is based on request. And in this video, I'll be showing you how I made this cinnamon roll dip using just 5 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. This video is dedicated to Agulo hairstyle. Thank you so much for your constant support and love. If you've ever wondered how cinnamon roll dip is made, watch this video to the very end to find out how. Besides, this recipe was heaven inspired. I just woke up and it came to my head. I searched and researched a few items that I need to make this recipe, but God gave me this recipe. So just watch to the very end and I hope you enjoy the video. For this recipe, you will need icing sugar, coffee, vanilla flavor, cinnamon rolls, and milk. Any milk of your choice is fine. In a pan, go in with your dissolved milk and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it begins to thicken, stir it continuously to avoid forming lumps. Add a few drops of vanilla extract. The dip is 95% ready if it looks like this. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Go ahead and pour that into a cup before adding the icing sugar, cinnamon powder, and the coffee. Please note that the colder this gets, the thicker it becomes. So you do not want it very thick immediately. Mix thoroughly and there you have it. This heaven-inspired cinnamon roll dip is one for the saves. It's worthy to save, honestly. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And until next time that I see you, stay safe, stay blessed, and Chidi Maidlin loves you. Bye-bye.